What's up? What's up? I'm about to leave Switzerland in 3 hours. Well, leaving this beautiful weather of -5 degrees. Okay, see you in Vietnam.
What's up, language challengers? It is finally happening. I finished the very first vlog in Vietnam. Well, I've been enjoying myself a little bit too much these past few weeks.
It's been 3 months already.
Wow, it's already been 3 months. Oops. By the way, for all the viewers from Vietnam, nếu bạn cần hiểu đề tiếng Việt thì bạn click ở dưới đây nha. Okay, now there are 4 reasons why I want to do these vlogs. Number 1, obviously, is to share with you my new chapter, my new life here in Vietnam, and maybe answer some of your specific questions. So please let me know in the comment section below. Number 2 is to improve my Vietnamese. Bear in mind, I was born in Switzerland, so there's some room for improvement. Reason number 3 is to provide you more learning material for Vietnamese. Since this is a language learning channel, I will try to speak a little bit Vietnamese at least in every single vlog, so that you have, hopefully, a more fun way to practice your listening skills. And that way my parents and relatives can also understand more about what I'm saying. Reason number 4 is to improve my videography and editing skills. Yeah, so that being said, why not combine all these reasons together right now.
Tuần thứ 2, một đứa bạn rủ mình đi chơi ở Châu Đốc. Châu Đốc là một thành phố thuộc tỉnh An Giang. Chúng mình đi xem chùa Miếu Bà Chúa Xứ núi Sam. Ba tuần sau, có mấy đứa bạn ở Thụy Sĩ qua chơi ở Sài Gòn. What's up, language challengers? So today I just met another language enthusiast. Well, so your name is?
Andre.
Andre. So now we're going to do a little funny thing, and we just do one sentence in as many languages that we both know. And that sentence would be, can you say it? Can you say that in Vietnamese?
I think it's something like chúng ta đang ở Việt Nam và tôi muốn học tiếng Việt.
Good, alright. Zurzeit sind wir gerade in Vietnam und ich würde gerne Vietnamesisch lernen.
Nun estas en Vietnamio kaj mi volas lerni Scheiße. Okay, of course not.
Hier wird nicht geflucht.
Do, nun ni estas en Vietnamio kaj mi volas lerni la Vietnaman.
지금 베트남에 있고 베트남어 공부하고 싶어요. 네.
Kuchino do Vietnam nangang ma nene de Jono Vietnam saga tin chin de
I have no idea what that language was.
That was Burmese.
Oh, right, good, good. All right, cool. 今ベトナムへいます。はい。ベトナムを勉強したいんです。はい。
我们现在在越南，然后我也想学习越南语。
Maintenant nous sommes en Vietnam et je veux apprendre le vietnamien.
Okay,
Klingon.
Dag Vietnam, dag Machtag, Edge, Vietnam Hall, we Roch, Vener.
Holy shit, that sounded very like very evil.
That's it for the very first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about Vietnamese language or culture, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, I will upload on a more regular basis, promised. So see you next time. Xin chào các bạn.